You should do this daily. It will help you to improve your brain power, idiot.
Hey, why you punish him every time? He will listen, right?
Mother, why did you stop? You just continue. You helped me to grow good, right? Same thing I am repeating to my son, that's it.
Already we lost one. Now we have only one. Why are you punishing him every time?
Tomorrow he should protect our family and every respects, right? That's why.
Before marriage we didn't meet, right? Like that only.
Hey, I didn't talk about our family problems. It's his life problems. He will grow only good if we obey only my words. Look here. If he doesn't listen to my words, then he won't be your kid and your grandkid too. I will place the poison in the food and I'll kill him. Hey, do it.
Sir,
What? There are 50 to 60 members are working out there. I said you to look at them. Why did you came back here? What is the problem, huh?
that is accountant wife run with someone, sir. That's
Oh, she
why.
ran away. Do you understand now? Why did I do such things to my son? You just continue. Continue. You just go and look after
Okay, sir.
that. Yeah, accountant.
Good morning, sir.
I have heard about that. I'm so sorry for that. Okay, whatever happened, let it happen and just go. I knew your wife was not good before and it was suspicious little bit. Finally happened. Who the hell done this? Is your relative?
No, sir. He behaved to us like a relative. That's why.
Damn it! You should only allow your actual relative to your home. You should not allow any others. If you have any caution and intuition, you should take care of that. She is also like your wife. You should strictly grow her, or else the same thing will happen again to you. Does your wife take some jewels and money from you, or just simply she ran away from you?
I had saved some little amount of gold for my daughter. She had ran away with all the gold, sir.
Oh my God. You know your wife very well from the starting, right? Now you have a big daughter too. Haven't you checked any signs from your wife? Hey, look at that.
Sir.
You didn't finish your work yesterday, right? Just come fast and do it, okay?
Okay, sir.
Hey kid, if I see you with my son, I will slice your daddy's leg. Be careful, okay?
Father?
Come on, idiot. Just now I was saying to her, if I see you both together, I'll slice her dad's leg. Before that, you yourself, you came to see her, right? Hey, idiot. You're doing such kind of things in this kind of age itself, right? Huh? Idiot, I'll kill you.
Hey, what is this? Why are you doing like this way?
If you spoke something to me, I'll thrash out all your teeth. Hey, stop!
You go and catch
nonsense,
him.
bloody rascal! He didn't come to the work because of his wife's problem. Come, let's go and take a look on him. Huh?
Okay.
Huh. Hey kid, what are you doing? Are you studying or sketching? Your mother just ran off, right? She won't come back. Don't think about her. At least your dad can come to the work, right? Where is your dad?
Daddy is sleeping inside the house.
Dad is sleeping inside. Oh, he's still in the night. Hey, accountant! Hey, accountant!
What happened?
Accountant! Why are you sleeping in the morning like an idiot? Hey, Murthy! Hey, Murthy! Oh. Murthy! Oh my God! Why are you sitting like this? I'm asking you people, don't you hear me? Is this my house or the dead person's house?
Why are you talking like
I
this?
felt like speaking because of you people.
Surya bring accountant daughter and keeping her here.
What? He brought the accountant daughter to my home.
Yes, dear. Don't ask him anything. We can talk about this later. You...
Surya doesn't know who is his father, who is his mother, and what is his heritage, I think so. That's why He cannot differentiate a shit and a perfume. I'll do something today. Hey kid,
Sir?
whenever I see you, I remember your mother so much. Hey, just look. I'm not a person who believes in caste, but every caste persons are different individuals. I have seen everything. Just look. Your father's brother. Yeah, that's your uncle. He's in Madurai. Because of some small problem, your father and your uncle have separated. I have talked with him. I have spoken about you. He told to send you there that he will look after you kindly. I know very well that he will look after you kindly. Hey, Shanmugam.
Sir, what, sir?
Come. Why you have been taking so much time?
I'm
You're
ready,
ready,
sir.
right?
I packed everything.
Okay, go. Take your dresses and leave, okay? Just go.
Okay, sir.
Hey,
come.
Take
Sir.
care of this kid, okay?
Okay, sir. Come with me.
At my young age itself, my father planned to separate Malar from me.
Hey, sir. Sir. Hey, don't leave me. Don't leave me. Sir, sir, please leave me.
Stop. Stop the vehicle. Come on, let's go. Come on. Go. I have decided to live with Malar and left my own village. While we were roaming like orphans, God only sent us that grandfather to help us.
We look after children like this. That's why we are doing this kind of work. Don't worry about your child. We will protect her.
Thank you so much.
God bless you.
Surya, you should always be with me. I want to be with you always.
I promise you, my dear, I can't leave her all alone, but I left that place. I joined in an industrial company where Grandpa also worked. It's been 10 years till today. I am doing everything for my mother only.
Come this side. Grandpa, please come here. This is Guna, new appointment. Owner told to use him as a helper. Take care of him. Okay, right?
Just go and sit, okay?
Okay.
Surya,
Sir,
come here. There is a requirement in our Mumbai branch. 2 months, double salary. Interested?
I don't want, sir.
Why? You are doing overtime every day. Double salary. It's better, right?
Not like that, sir. I will be more happy from tomorrow.
Think about it. Let me know, okay?
1 second, come with me. Why are you saying you're not going to Bombay?
Tomorrow Malar is coming, Grandpa.
If someone says Mala, then you will be happy, right?
This is the only place for our entertainment. In this place only, we will speak a lot together.
Surya, why don't you learn swimming?
I am afraid of water.
Why, Surya?
I had a brother and he died.
I know it, but I don't know how he died.
One day it was heavy rain. Ponds and rivers were filled. My father wanted us not to go there. But we used to play there only always. I think he was 7 at that time. He will very happily enjoy in water. I always watch him. But one day that disaster happened. I can't save his life as I don't know swimming. He died in front of me. I can't forget that till today.
I'm sorry, Surya.
Hey, it's okay. No issues.
Surya, have you asked to Malar? What did she say?
I haven't discussed about that with her. After the result, she will say.
If Malar says she won't study after this, then you should take the topic of the marriage and marry her. Stop for a second, man.
What do you want?
She's a woman, right? She'll be shy. You both should marry and have lot of kids, and I should see that that's my happiness actually. Okay? Huh? Why police are coming inside our company? Surya, look at that.
Hey, if you behave well, I'll let you live. Otherwise, I'll kill you in encounter.
who is given a complaint. If anything happens to his life, that you are responsible. Always remember it. Understood?
It's been only 10 days you came here. You make enemy that soon.
I didn't make any enemies here. I came here for my enemy only.
Surya,
Huh?
let's go and have some tea. Come. Why should we bother about these problems?